Hello everyone, a very warm welcome towards the stock market investment. Till now you would have heard about investing in the stock market, but didn't knew like how to invest there. So today I'm going to show you what are the ways in order to invest there. So for investing in stock market, you need a kind of a medium. That medium is known as a broker. So today we're gonna see several types of brokers through which you can go ahead for your investing. So here are those. I'm sharing my screen now. Yeah, hope you are able to see my screen. So first one, which is the most favorite of all the stock market traders, is Zerodha. You all would have heard about this one. This is the best stock trading strategy which is going on, and not a strategy, it's a broker all over India. A lot of people who trade in Zerodha feel so happy to have it. So it's a nice broker, and there are several charts also of Zerodha. So there's an app known as Zerodha Guide that's available in the iOS also, and it's available in the Android too. So through this app, you'll have, when you create the account, you'll have an ID and a password, and through which you can log in and you can go ahead with that. So this is an app which you're gonna have it, and through which you can invest it. So the interface would look like this, similar to this. There would be actually, now let's go ahead with this. I'll detail you out what are the things which are going ahead here. So it's a kite dashboard. It's not zoom. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with here. So yeah, it's a dashboard. Like here you can see here are the stocks, and the stocks are available here. And here is the detail about that stock, how it's going ahead. And the symbol looks like this. And these are the graphs. You can see the graphs would go ahead like this. So for Zerodha Kite, you don't need any of the kind of tough things to know ahead. There are some simple steps. You can go ahead on the website and you can just register it there. And in registering there, you'll just need some of the guidelines to follow. First of all, you'll have to click on the sign up now button. Then you'll have to submit your phone number here. If you will support, you go ahead, and there are some of the simple steps which will be ahead forward, and I'll just detail you out in the later videos. Second comes is the upstocks. Now upstocks, the Tata owns this, and it's a nice interface also, and a better thing. You know what, the broker difference in these people are not that much big. There's kind of 2 3 rupees or 4 5 rupees of difference in these people. So in these brokers, so you can go ahead with this. You can just click the create account. You'll have to insert your email ID, your phone number, and send OTP option, and hence you'll get the account. like uh, then you will have to go ahead with the several steps like verifying your PAN card. One thing you should note is you need a PAN card before going ahead for a brokerage or brokers. You will need a PAN card. So move ahead with a PAN card, and for PAN card, you will have to refer to a person who is related to the CA field or the companion secretary. You can go ahead to the CA or the commerce field people. You can ask them like where we can go ahead with our PAN cards. Once your PAN card is done, PAN card would take 1 to 2 months, most probably 1 month or 1.5 months to go ahead. And once your PAN card number is created, you'll get a card, and then on that card you'll have a PAN card number. Because PAN card is needed because you'll have a demat account. That demat account is linked to the NSE and CDSL, and there are some of the organizations which need all your details, and that's only the medium through which this broker will identify your identity, and you'll move ahead with them. Then let's go towards one more option, that's Grow. Grow is also a nice brokerage broker. So it's they're saying zero account charges, but yeah, it's fine. So it's fine. You can refer to your friends also. You'll get 100 rupees per referral. So it's a nice thing. You can try investing in the future and options, mutual funds, stocks. Everything is available on Grow, and gold is also available. In Upstocks also you can find gold as well. And Zerodha also there are options for the digital gold and all of those things. These are all the commodity things which I will tell you in the later videos. Then the last one, what I feel better is 5 Paisa. 5 Paisa is also a nice option to go ahead with, move ahead with this thing. And the process is same itself. You just insert your number, and as the things go ahead, you can just get into these things. And if you are like facing some of the difficulties, nothing, you don't have to do anything. You just have to go on Google and type up stocks customer care contact number. That's all. You get a number like this, just call it out, and then you can just reach them out. You can write grow, you can write 5 paisa, or else anything you can write. So this is what things can happen. So start investing, like try to make your accounts first. The account will take 3 to 4 days to get verified. All your PAN card details will get verified. Things you will be needing is your PAN card first of all. Second is your Aadhaar card for your verification, and third one is a check, a cancelled check is needed. So what are the things needed? I'll just help you out. The things needed are first one we can say is you'll need a PAN card. Second one, you'll need an Aadhaar card. Third would be your cancelled check. Like, well, I didn't faced any of the problem in the Upstocks account, and they didn't ask me for the cancelled check. They just asked me for the PAN card and the Aadhaar card verification, and then in 3 to 4 days it was all done. And please enter all the like information, exact information in these brokers, because if once your any of your information what you are filling out is not that much correct, so your demat account would not be created, and you'll have to just re-go the process again. So this is all the things which happens here. Like I can also show you like how the Upstocks go ahead. There are a lot of brokers which you can see. So the Upstocks interface would be like this. Here you will get all the stocks. It's pretty dark, and the graphs are like this. And on Zerodha it was a light one. There's nothing, that just the color difference, that's all. Yeah, one more thing to take care of is Upstocks calculator, brokerage calculator. So let me show you one thing. There's one thing as brokerage calculator. Now checking that which broker takes more amount, or where you will have to pay the fee. Now suppose let's see Tata Motors stock. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead with Tata Motors. I'm buying 1,000 quantities. The buy price would be 280. The sell price would be 300 rupees. Now let's see here what are the charges they are taking. So total taxes and charges they took is 690 rupees in the Upstocks. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the Zerodha brokerage calculator. Now in the Zerodha brokerage calculator, what you will see here is you can see the taxes here. There's not a kind of a calculator here, but yeah, you can see that turnover, like buy sell quantity. Okay, so here I'm putting 280, here I'm inserting 300, and here the quantity would be 1,000. So like the total brokerage they are taking 40 rupees, and all the things what are keeping in mind is 154 rupees taxes, 10 rupees this, 20 rupees this. It's the intraday one. Let's go ahead for the delivery. This was the delivery, so 280 and 300 and 1,000. So yeah, total tax and charges would be 645.9 here, and here it was 690. So there's a difference of 45 rupees on 1,000 stocks of Tata Motors and Upstocks and Zerodha. So this is the difference what go aheads in these things. So you can similarly you can go ahead for the Grow and 5paisa and some other brokers what you know. So this is how you can move ahead by comparing the on the brokerage calculator. And you know this is really a very well thing. Like suppose you have bought 1,000 stocks of 280 rupees, and suppose this happened on the Tata Motors graph that it went on to 80, and then when it goes ahead for 300 and then you are selling. So the net profit would be 19,000 rupees. So it's not a bad amount. Like you'll just have to buy it and sell it. You just have to wait. It can happen in 1 week also. It can happen in 2 to 3 months also. It can happen in 6 months also. But it's fine. At the end, you are having something more than what you invest in the fixed deposits. So it's better to invest in stocks. So this is how you'll go ahead with your choosing your choice of the brokerage and the type of broker you want to choose. You will have to move ahead. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. We'll be moving forward with how why to invest in stock markets and what are the other parts like intraday delivery. We'll learn this in the future videos. Thank you so much. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.